What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Justin Hawk Smith channel. Background might look a little bit weird right now, and before we get into the video, guys, I want to ask you all, please get in the comments down below. If you're a subscriber here on the YouTube channel, get in the comments below and drop your t-shirt size. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all that I need. Just drop your t-shirt size, and here in a couple of weeks I've got a surprise for you all, for real. So I don't know if I've ever brought you guys out here. This is the paint booth where I dabble and paint a little bit. We just now hung up these 2x4s on the rafters or studs or trusses, whatever you want to say. The truss on the top, we mounted these 2x4s to those. And then as you can see right here, I am just screwing in some eyelets to both of those. We're gonna do 4 on each stud. And what these eyelets are gonna be used for, guys, is I am going to paint the lift kit on a Dodge, which you all haven't seen yet. I've already started on it a little bit, but this is going to be pretty much part 1 of building this Dodge 1500, and we're doing a full custom mixed color. So we're actually doing 2-tone. So the cross members are going to be one color, the spindles are going to be another color, and the upper control arms are going to be a different color. So it's going to be 2-tone. The spindles and the cross members will be the same color, and then the upper control arm and the lower control arms will be the second color, which I'll show you all that here in just a second. But right now, what we're doing, guys, is just getting this paint booth ready. I have to vacuum everything out. I've got a bunch of garbage. I have a bunch of garbage over here in the corner that I've got to get rid of. We also have a set of headlights that aren't here just yet. I've got to get them opened up. The headlights are here, I just haven't brought them out here to the paint booth. But we're going to be spraying those as well. Those are not for this truck, that's for a different order. It's actually for a very close friend of mine, Braden, and he has cerebral palsy. Here's a picture of me and Braden. Of course, we just now threw a truck meet for Braden here recently, and we are building him a custom set of color matched headlights for his truck. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and time lapse this, me just hanging up all these eyelets pretty much, and then we will go out to the shop and talk about the Dodge and where we're at on the build, and talk about, this video is mainly just gonna be talking about the truck and what all we're gonna be doing to it. And I will unveil the colors just to make this video a little bit more interesting. I will be showing pictures of the color, but you're gonna be seeing this color a lot here soon whenever we paint this lift kit. It's gonna be really, really cool. And this lift kit is gonna be fully prepped, primered, adhesion promoted, primered, base coat, and clear coat. No different than a body panel. This thing is going to be slick. So stay tuned. I'm gonna set up this time lapse, and then we'll talk about this Dodge, show you the lift kit, show you the colors, all of that. See y'all in just a second. All right, guys, so we finally got the paint booth vacuumed up. I need to throw a fresh coat of paint on the floor, but I don't think that I'm gonna have time to do that. We're in a little bit of a hurry, but I've got it pretty much all vacuumed up and cleaned up. So now we are ready to talk about this Dodge. We're gonna be doing a 6-inch rough country lift with a 1.5-inch leveling kit. Sounds kind of basic. It's gonna be a 7.5-inch lift. We have adapters that are going to step us from the 5-lug over to the 6-lug Chevy. We have some 26x14s on 35s, and the adapters are 2 inches thick. So it's gonna be pretty much like running a 26x16 on 35s on a 7.5-inch lift. Fully painted suspension, all of the components of the lift kit, and some of the factory components will be painted. So without further ado, let's go to the shop and check out this truck. y'all just now seen that little edit of the Dodge. But this truck is 4-linked in the rear, so it has coil springs. So the coil springs, we're gonna do gold because the cross members were doing gold and the spindles were doing gold. I think I'm gonna do on the puck up top, I think it would look best blue. So we're gonna be doing blue on the lower control arms, blue on the upper control arms, blue on the track bar in the back, and then we're going to do a couple different brackets and stuff in the back. But guys, you all are not going to want to miss this build. We've also got these headlights right here. These are going it's like a silver birch color, kind of. It's like a silver metallic, like a beigey silver, for Braden. And I just wanted to go ahead and talk about this right now because you may see that in tomorrow's video or the next day's video. But everything that's black that you see is going to be color matched to the truck. And then this reflector right here, this big clear reflector, will be a really, really sick green color. And it's Illusion Lime Time Powder Coat, which is a very, very metallic-y green. But I actually went and found a color, a paint, that is pretty much identical, has all kinds of crazy flakes, super, super sick. So we're going to be doing these reflectors, the green to match, which is the color that he's going to do underneath his truck. And then the buckets and everything will stay chrome, so they reflect really well. And everything that's black will be the beige. But anyway, guys, I hadn't made a video in a couple of days. This build is about to be awesome. Not only these headlights for Braden, but the Dodge that we're building is going to be so sick. And this has never been done before. This paint color underneath that truck, and on a black truck, you can do almost any color. But these two colors together, guys, just wait on it. Tomorrow, you will be like, dang. Absolutely. Right now in your head, you may be wondering, I don't think that's going to look good. I don't know. You may be on the fence about it, but I promise you guys, in the next video that I upload, you all will be firm believers that this looks absolutely sick. Or it's also going to be one of those things that you either hate it or you love it. But anyway, guys, that's going to be all for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope y'all are looking forward to another build series here on the Justin Knox Smith channel. Don't forget, guys, like, comment, share with your friends, and also subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Really helps out the channel a lot. We are almost to 9,000 subscribers, closing in on that 10,000 subscriber milestone. Super, super exciting. But anyway, guys, that's going to be all for today's video. Always remember, everybody starts out as a nobody, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.